So this worksheet is basically we have to name the shaded region for the Venn diagrams. We have 6 Venn diagrams, and these 6 Venn diagrams have 2 sets in each, and some area has been shaded, and we are asked to find the mathematical form of this shaded region. In the previous worksheet, we did a previous worksheet in which we were given the mathematical form and we have to shade the region by looking at that mathematical form. In this type of worksheet, we are provided with the shaded part, and we have to look at that shaded part and we have to write which region is this, and we have to write the mathematical form. So we know that we have certain operations, and we have operators such as union, intersection and difference, and just wanted to revise these 3 operators and then we will be starting with this worksheet. You guys know that whenever you are asked to find the union, you go for the combination or the both part. I told you that whenever you are asked to shade union, so you will be adding both the parts. You will be shading both of them. And whenever you are asked to find or shade intersection part, so you will be going for the common part. And the difference is a bit tricky. We have to look which set is first, and then we have to find out the members that has no connection with the other set. So first of all, we will be starting with the simple one, and I know that you will also be picking this part 2 because this part 2 is talking about the common part. There are 2 sets A and B, and only the common part is shaded. So you and I also know that the shaded common part is described by intersection, and for intersection I will be drawing this inverted U. And then since we have 2 sets A and B, so I will just write A and B like this to write my answer in my mathematical form. This shaded region is describing A intersection B, and the next part will be approximately this one. Since the whole diagram is shaded, both the parts are shaded, so we can say that this is basically A union B. Since both A and B are shaded, so we can say that. And since this is again a very simple one, only the B part is shaded, only the B part A is not, so I will say that the region which is shaded is only B. And in the first part only the A part is shaded, so I will just be writing this as set A as the shaded region. So talking about the region 3 and 4, I can clearly say that this is that part of the B that has no connection with A. The shaded part belongs to B, and that part of B that has no connection with A, so I can clearly say that this is basically a difference operator. And since the answer lies in B, so B will be first and A will be the second, since A is not shaded. So this is just a trick for it. And in the fourth part, since A is my answer and the only part of A is shaded that has no connection with B, so I can say that this is also again a difference operator. And since the answer lies in part A, so I will be writing A first and then I will be writing B because B is not shaded. So that was all about just name the shaded region of the Venn diagrams. It was just opposite of the worksheet we did earlier. I also remember that worksheet in which we were given these mathematical operators and we have to use them and we have to shade the region where the answer lies. So this was just a converse of it, and shaded regions were provided to us, and we were just asked to find the answer in mathematical form.